Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So let's start today a very beautiful poem. I love little pussy. I hope everybody has a pet in your house. Please let me know those who have pet. You know what is the meaning of pet? Anything which you love, you can keep them at your home. For example, dog, parrot, pussycat, rabbit, right? So let's see this poem, I Love Little Pussy. This poem is about a little girl and a little pussy. You know, pussy? That is her cat. Come on, see the line, children. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. Can you see the picture of a little girl with a pussy in her arms? Do you see? Yes. So she has kept a little pussy in her arms. This shows she loves her pussy so much that she has hugged her and she says she will not hurt her pussy. So that pussy also not harm her. What happens when you have a when you have a pet at home? You just throw stones or you play mischief with that so that they get annoyed. They get angry. So your little girl says, I love little pussy. His coat is so warm and her coat is so warm and if I don't hurt, she says she's not going to hurt her pussy. So what will happen? She will do me no harm. Who is that pussy, children? She. That is her pussy. Okay, understood? Did you understand these 4 lines? Very good. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't harm her, she will do no harm. Now children, we will see the second 4 lines. So I will not put her tail, not drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. So I will not put her tail, not drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. She says so. I will. Did you see? Yes, children, did you see I apostrophe is there? Then L. This shows I will. She says she will not pull her tail, nor she will tell pussy to get away from away out of her house, but very coolly she will play with her. So children, did you understand the second stanza? Now we will repeat all the 8 lines again. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail and not drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. So children, let's see the third stanza. I will sit by the fire and give her some food. Pussy will love me as I can, gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. So children, whom the girl is sitting beside? Yes, The girl is sitting beside the fire. That means some cooking work is going on. She will not cook, but her mummy is cooking food, right? If she will cook, she will burn her fingers, right? It is dangerous to sit near fire. So she says she will sit by the fire. She will sit by the fire and give food to the pussy. What pussy will do? She will love the little girl. Why she will love this little girl? Because this little girl is very kind, gentle, very caring. So children, what is the meaning of gentle? Kind. Very good. So children, we will continue in our next topic.